Hello viewers, this is Manas welcoming you to the series You the Oracle Expert, your one-stop shop to learn and practice Oracle database administration and Unix with hands-on experiments using Oracle VirtualBox virtual machines. Build your knowledge base, confidence, and make your way to be an expert Oracle DBA. Hello viewers, in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix an OEM 13C agent that is not able to communicate with the OMS. Sometimes we encounter this issue when we see that the agent communication to the OMS is broken, the agent is out of sync, or it's not able to upload data to the OMS. So what is an out of sync agent? An out of sync agent is the one which has a mismatch in terms of metric data it has collected on its targets with the data available on the OMS side about those targets. By resynchronizing the agent, the OMS refreshes and recollects the target information and bring the agent in sync with the OMS. To do an agent resynchronization, in the OEM console, go to Setup, Manage Cloud Control, Agents. In the list of agents given, select the one that is giving the trouble and click on block button here and put a reason like temporary and click OK. And we can see that the agent in question is blocked. Now let's go to the agent homepage. Select target, all targets, and the agent in our context is this one. Click on that to go to the home page, and you will be able to see that the agent is currently blocked, this message at the top. Then click on the agent menu, go to Resynchronization, and it will ask you to unblock the agent after successful completion of the resynchronization operation. So make sure that the checkbox is selected there and click continue. And a job will be submitted by OEM for the resynchronization operation. Click on the link for the job and it will give you the job status, and we can see that the status is running and the auto refresh here is off. We'll put it to refresh every 15 seconds so that we get a frequent status update. Still running. You can also check the detailed steps being performed by clicking on this small triangle there. And ideally it takes like less than a minute depending on how many targets are configured with the agent. And we can see that the job has been completed and the status is succeeded. It means that the agent resynchronization operation has been successfully completed. Now we'll go back to the agent again. It will take a few seconds to refresh this page to give us the latest status. Let's close it and refresh it manually. It's still giving that message at the top. It means the status is not yet reflected. And if the status does not change within a minute or so and it's still shown as the agent has been blocked and it's asking us to unblock it manually, then first go to the agent server again and see the status, and it says that the agent is blocked. The job that we submitted was not able to completely unblock the agent. In this case, we'll have to unblock the agent from the page where we blocked it. So go to Setup, Manage Cloud Control, Agents, select the agent and click Unblock. Click Yes. And after a couple of refreshes, you will be able to see that the agent status has been turned into green. So in this kind of situations, This is how you can re-establish the agent to OMS communication and bring the agent online or in sync with the OMS. So viewers, I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Please hit the like button if you liked it and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss an episode in this series for the Oracle DBAs or similar educational videos that I am uploading every week.